Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on critical alert on iPhone. So if you want to set a critical alert for certain application on your iPhone, maybe the home app or the messages app on your iPhone, so that when you have notifications, then this is going to be prioritized over your iPhone settings. Whether you have do not disturb turned on or you have your iPhone in silent mode, the critical alert function will set the priorities high. So to turn on critical alert on your iPhone, you just need to go to your iPhone settings, and on settings page, scroll down and click on notifications. Under notifications, locate the application with critical alert feature. Here you can check the message app and then click on it. Once you click on the messages app, then it should say always deliver immediately, then turn on critical alert underneath it. Then this is going to make sure that you receive notification whenever you have messages on your iPhone. Then also check through other applications whose critical alert you want to turn on, like the home application. Click on it and then turn on critical alert. Once you have the critical alert turned on, then you can now exit the page. This is going to make the app notifications or alert works irrespective of the status of your iPhone, whether your iPhone is on silent mode or your iPhone is on do not disturb mode. This is going to set the alert for the selected application as priority. So that is basically how to turn on critical alerts on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.